Anong compliment nun? Sakaling kita eh.
No, it suits you.
Baliw.
Okay.
Ano pa?
Chubby cheeks. Wait.
I don't know how to describe myself. Teka,
Okay, ako na magtanong.
Sige.
Huwag ka na magtingin muna sa drawing ko, hindi pa tapos.
Hindi ko nga tinitignan.
Okay. Eyes.
Like yours? Joke lang. Hindi, mas chinito ka pa.
Ano?
Hindi, alam mo yung parang yung parang may tears. Anong tawag dun? Yung parang may eyeliner, natural eyeliner like that. Alam mo yung tsura nun?
Okay. Don't look yet.
I'm not looking.
Are you taking your snack?
Hungry. You want?
Yes, please.
As if mabibiglang kita.
ASMR.
Mukbang.
Okay na. Ay bro, makakapal.
No, not really. Just lang.
Straight curve.
Straight. I mean, I like it straight. I prefer straight. That's why I do it straight.
Okay. Don't look yet.
I'm not looking.
Nose.
Kind of. I have a bridge. Hindi ako pango. Hindi din ako matangos. I have a bridge sa nose ko. Sometimes
Pag nakaharap ka. Kasi naka-front ko yung drawing ko.
Siguro matangos. Kasi I put eyeliner. I put contour.
Hindi ko alam yun. Kasi wala sa matao.
Okay.
You want it circle or okay, pointed ko na lang siguro po. Pangat ko pointed eh. Ganito na lang para chubby like. Don't look yet.
I'm not looking.
Your lips is makapal ba?
Kissable? I don't know.
Okay.
Funky.
I don't know what kind of lip is said.
I don't know how to explain it honestly. Siguro, pwede na pang laplak. Joke lang. Di, sorry. Hindi ko talaga alam. Siguro, medyo small yung upper lip and then bigger on the lower.
Okay.
Like that. So it's like average lips, I guess.
Okay, waitan ko na lang.
Okay.
Okay. How long is your hair?
Oh, my hair is super long. Do you want me to send a picture of you? A picture of me instead. Like, so you can see.
No, I want to. Can you describe me?
My hair is quite long until.
How long?
Wait, let me measure. Like sa above my hip. Yeah, above my hip. Yeah. Yeah, super long. My hair is super long. Huh?
I can't draw that. Okay, well,
Just
is your hair curly?
My hair is kind of wavy. It's not curly. It's actually straight, but now it's kind of wavy.
Do you have bangs?
No, not anymore. I used to.
Mm, how? It may be rude to ask this, but how long is your neck?
Neck? Bakit neck? I don't.
Neck.
Yeah, I don't know. Neck? How would I measure that?
Okay, huwag na yun. Ako na naman. Tapos, ah, what is your preferences on shirt?
Shirt? Anything. Ikaw, kung ano sa tingin mo bagay.
Okay. The usual one.
Usual?
You'll see it later. Is your chest?
Ikaw na din siguro bahala dyan.
Okay. This era.
Ano?
No. Okay. Di ako na mag-drawing ng kamay.
Ang hirap nga naman mag-drawing ng kamay. Wait lang. Kailangan ka dito kakapasok bilis. Saizo Mojito daw malaki premyo. Ha.
Tinatawag ka ng kapal mo.
No, early.
How long has it been since you cut your hair?
Oh, nag-trim lang ako for ilang months na. Yeah, nag-trim ako. And then it got longer. I don't wanna cut my hair.
Yes, okay. Why?
I don't know. I think it's a good one of my good features, I guess. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello, Emma. Welcome back.
Hello. Rhea. Tayo ko sa dito.
Nag-drawing kami.
Grabe ka naman kay Ate Ella.
Bakit? Ano yung ginagawa nito?
You can look, Ira. Tapos,
Grabe ka.
I'm saving this. Why is my hair short there?
no, it's not short. Nasa likod lang yan.
Why her shirt is short?
Nasa likod lang yan.
Nasa likod lang. That's so cute. I'm saving that.
Hazukashi.
Lagyan mo ng egg si, Ate Ella. Batuhan mo ng egg si owner. Batuhan mo ng egg.
Ako naman, drawing kita, Ami. Lilipat
Jowa po kayo?
Ay, hindi po! Hindi, no. Hindi po kami mag-jowa.
Pero ba't po kayo mag-couple pick?
Matching lang. Matching lang.
Bro, it's not... akala ko owner, jowa mo si Jamoshi?
Hindi po.
Ay, hindi may jowa yan, may girl.
Jowa po yun.
Sabi niyo po ikaw po yung jowa niya.
Sinungaling.
Sabi niyo po din. Tinanong ko po kung mag-jowa po ay sabi niyo po, oo.
Hoy, hindi kami mag-jowa.
Ano nga sa buhay mo, please? Pinabalak mo yun.
Ate Ella.
Wala yung walis na.